Magandang hapon po ng January 18, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draw ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 18, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, January 18, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 18, 2024, Thursday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, January 18, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 18, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.